Okay, so here we are at our hotel. We've only stayed at one of these types of hotels before, and that's when we stayed in New York. And it's a collection hotel from Marriott. And so this here is like the light switch, and then you have your, so if you turn this off, everything turns off, and then if you turn it on, it turns on. This makeup room, I don't know. Oh, okay, it turns on the lights in the bathroom. So when you walk in, you have this credenza here. So when you open this, which is really neat, it has like little cubby holes in here where you can put your stuff. And so that is so cool. Like this could be for your shoes. And then on this other side, it has a safe and then another drawer here. So that's pretty neat. You have your water, and this is the St. Anthony Hotel. And for my husband's birthday, I just thought it would be neat to stay somewhere different, even though we were coming to the same city. So when you walk in, this is the view here. And you turn to your right. Here's the bathroom, and you have your two sinks. You have all of your towels and whatnot down here, your rug. Wow, they even have a scale. And then you have your little magnifying mirror there. More lights. So that's the vanity light. So that's what turns this on here. I'm not sure what that makeup button is for then. And then the bathroom, which is right behind me, and I'll show you that in a second. You can have the night light on or the night light off. And so that's nice because I stumble in the morning. So they give you your hand wipes. They have some scope and just some little items there. This is a very nice mirror. Here is my outfit that I wore. So then here is the shower, and it is a huge shower. Like it is very big. When we walked in, they had that music playing. So you gotta step up here. Then here is the water closet. So here is the toilet, and it's just behind this fogged glass area. So then here's where we walked in. Then you go to your right again, and here is the whole room. And so in this armoire here, it's really big. So when you open this, it's a armoire that has the robes. It has umbrella and a brush. It has the robes, and then they give you slippers. And then it has like the full-length mirror here on each side, which is kind of nice. So there, that lighting is a whole lot better. Yeah, pretty comfortable clothing that I wore to come down. Then you have your television set here. And then this unit, and again, that other safe I guess you can't get into, but here's the safe for us. Hopefully no alarms went off. I hope they didn't think we were trying to break into anything. So a lot of storage for your stuff. Here's that little, so we don't have a refrigerator. So that's what all of that is. Then you have a little desk vanity over here. Here's where I'll probably put my makeup. Oops. Okay, so that scared me. That's where you can plug in some USB items. This is kind of hard to open. There's that drawer. And you just kind of have your chair there, trash can, and then you have this beautiful mirror here, which is nice also to just have for makeup and stuff. Here is the view outside. We are right across the street from the park, and we have a little sitting area here, and here is the view of the park. Sorry, the windows are really dirty, so it's hard to kind of see. It's pretty. We are like on the other side of where we usually stay at the Marriott. And so here is the nightstands. They have the same little remote system here, which is nice. Phone, more drawer space. The bed is very nice. And then you have the other side here. So when we walked in, they had this radio playing, and it sounded very dramatic, so a little eerie. And then they have these pictures on the wall. Here is your temperature setting, and then again the little remote. So it's nice that they have a lot of the remote buttons that you can use to control the lights in the room. It has a really pretty main light here, and I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, it's a really nice room. It's big and roomy, so I think we're gonna enjoy staying here for the next couple of days. It'll already go to IKEA, so I got some more hangers. And I also got some little boxes that I wanted to utilize in my closet that I wanted to put my boots on. And so, wow, I'm looking lovely. Let me show you guys the chandelier and just kind of the room from here. So there is the chandelier and the view from where I'm standing by the windows. So that's our room. How pretty! Oh, two at once. So here's the hallway down from our room. Yeah, has a doorbell. Somebody left their door open. But it's so pretty. We're gonna walk around the hotel so I can show you guys some areas of the hotel here. But see, they have like an old-fashioned. So once we get downstairs, I'll try not to say so much. So here's the area right outside of the elevators. And I'm gonna take you guys downstairs so you can kind of see what the different areas of the hotel look like. Okay, so I learned something new. The makeup means that you want them to come make up the room. And so I pressed it several times, and then it has a privacy button that you can hit to that means that they won't go into the room. And then it turns, like this little button here will be red. Right, did it turn red? Mm-hmm. There's a room here that does have the red button. Let me see if, oh yeah, here we go, this one right here. See, it'll turn red like that. But the girl did say that because of COVID, they won't go into the room unless you verbally ask them to. But how many times did I hit that button, y'all? They're probably like, what is wrong with this crazy girl? That's a pretty neat. in front of the elevators. How pretty it is. They must be having an event down here, but it's so pretty. They have a grandfather clock. And then I know when we walked in, they had, I'll show you guys. This little area here. I have like the books and a place to sit here. It's a really nice, different place. I have this bookshelf. There's the chandelier. Isn't that neat? That is so, so neat. This is where we walked in. Have this area. I think this is the, I don't know if it's the restaurant or something. I don't know. That's kind of creepy. The little horsey. That one looks like a cow. How nice this is. And today, or this trip, I didn't even bring my bathing suit. How nice it is. They're gonna have yoga at 9 o'clock in the morning. Let's figure out where we are. This way. Here. Guess they didn't clean it up here. That's kind of neat. They have lights hanging over there. I wanted to show y'all these beautiful mirrors. Look how neat they are. I wanted to come and do a video here, but I didn't get to. So just want to show you really quick. Those look like. Today, I was hoping I would get more video, but I just didn't get to. There was a lot of people everywhere, so that was part of the reason. There's a park. This is Travis Park that the hotel is across the street from. And then there's another park like down the street. And I can't remember what that is. There is a lot of homelessness here. I mean, it's really sad. Downtown is just prevalent. I forgot to tell y'all that the other day. We went to go get breakfast, and I don't know if it was a homeless person or what, but they were found dead on the street, and there was police officers everywhere, and it was just sad. Sad deal.